Aloha and welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for ROI payout, no trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And we're going to do the weekend price action study, one chart, and just break it down. I'm going to be studying on this at deep levels beyond this video, but I just wanted to show you my process and my journal entry of what I'm thinking and how it's going to shape my view for Monday. Globex. I want to see how we left it for Friday and what happened on Thursday to help set up for this Monday Globex. So price action, time zone, imbalance zones, the whole lot. Let's get to the chart. Okay, 15-minute journal review. So this is the time frame for 15 minutes going back Thursday and Friday of last week. Again, hindsight always is 2020, but what I'm trying to do here is just always perfect and improve my price action reading. So you can see here on Thursday, we had this trend up, we had high, we had a low, and Friday we had relative high, relative low. But within these 2 days, I'm focused on these fair value gaps. So I'm reviewing these two large fair value gaps up, and then on Friday, how we closed at key times back inside of these fair value gaps and how we closed Friday to set up Monday. So again, these fair relative lows hit the bottom here. Let's call it 34.2, and we closed at 43.7 inside of Thursday's fair value gap, which was quite large. So that's significant to me that we did close inside of that. That was also Thursday's RTH open. So I'm looking at this orchid colored rectangle box because that box was basically a level that I was measuring at the 9 a.m. New York time. That price exactly 1758.6, 1758.6. That's a level that I'm going to mark of expectation. And if we get there Monday, when do we get there? Is it going to be Asian, Europe, RTH, pre-RTH? So the time zone's going to matter to me. And the reason is that is the second fair value gap that's very important from Thursday that is carrying over into the new week. So this new week open gap, already we know that part of the price is going to be 43.8. And the other half of that price is going to be based on what we open. It could be a little bit above. It could be more below. Depends if we have any major black swan events coming over the weekend. But the bottom line, whatever's in the news, we are going to have an open on Monday Globex, really depending on these new week open gaps and finding the value of how that is. And this is way up there on last week's new week open gap. 1780.7 by 82.4. I just want to point that out because we'll be most likely opening way below it here. And so the zones I'm going to look at are these two fair value gaps from Thursday, along with this 9 o'clock level right here for a retrace, and just kind of watch the price action, because we did consolidate definitely in the RTH in this zone, and it was a bracket. And the bracket basically was 45.5 down here to these candle wicks at 36. So a 9-handle bracket. And unfortunately, I was not looking at this as bracket trading here because I was trying to catch other large moves. So I've got to improve upon when I enjoy consolidation bracket trading versus when we're not in a bracket. That is some area that I've got to journal better because I do love my bracket. So that's all I've got. I'm going to be studying this all weekend. There's probably lessons upon lessons that I'm going to discover as I keep looking at this chart. But that's how the weekend study journal goes. You find a chart that you like to look at during the day when you've got live trading going on, and then you just improve your skill set on how to get better at it. And I'm not saying I'm there. I'm just saying I'm always trying to improve. I hope this helped in some way. If it helped you, please, if you've not yet subscribed, help the channel. And I'd really appreciate your subscription. Aloha and take care. Bye.